So today was the day that should have taken probably a bigger size and look for smaller moves. I'm positive, $137. Let's see what I traded. All right, I traded DBX twice. Let's see what I did here. Trade DBX long, made a little bit long, got stopped out. I didn't like the price action. Topping tails just came back. It popped up and sold off. So I was hoping for this move to right here, back to the high of the day, short selling restriction, but I wasn't confident that it was going to do that, so I kept a pretty tight rein on it. Got back to break even, got out, did it again, got out. I would have liked to have shorted this stock at some point, but short selling restriction is off. I thought it was on. Oh. Well, I guess I don't know what I'm talking about. It just didn't do what I want. Through these topping tails right here. Came down, break even, came down, break even, yet it went back up, It's just kind of choppy. So all this chop right here, I wasn't interested in it. Got me uninterested real quick. But what drew me to it was the 15-minute chart here. Bounce off VWAP, go back up. We got some volume right here out, but it was undecided, and then it came down and started showing some volume coming in, some move back up, and with the market being an up day, I was very confident that it was going to go back up. My next trade. AMD, I took a quick one. That was also one of my first trades. So AMD, what I saw at AMD is that sold down, popped back up, second 5 minutes. It broke this. I was a little late to the party. I'm looking for it to go to high of day and continuing up based off nothing really. I just thought it'd be another continuation day. However, it hit when it hit here 3206, and I got a move and it started coming back. I got out. Yes, dear.
Why do you have it closed?
So the dog doesn't bother me. I'm just doing my recap.
Huh?
I'm doing my recap.
Huh?
All right, get out of here. My daughter. So I just wanted to protect my losses. A good thing I did because it did sell down. Did double bottom and then went back up. So a little bit too whippy for me with AMD. Now right here, I was thinking of taking it short, but it wasn't doing what I wanted with the market going up today. I didn't feel like trading it, especially. I mean, normally, yeah, I'd take it down, but I couldn't find any clear levels, things of that nature. So I just wasn't interested. The other trade, ATUS, was a good one for me. What I'm most proud of this. Okay, so I've seen it coming down, getting ready to break out of this range. Starting to get some volume. The 5-minute chart. I think the 1-minute chart's better for okay, here we go. So it broke down out of this little range right here. I set my stop loss up here. It almost stopped me out. I almost did it. It started chopping around, and then it sold down. My original target was this 15-minute level here, 24.14. That was my target. It did get down to 24, as you can see, but once it passed, and it passed fairly quickly down to past 24.14. I just kind of said to myself, well, for this stock at 20 in at 25, I just got 14 cents out of it. I'm gonna count my blessings and be happy with that. And it was close to my target anyhow, so I took it, and here it bounced back up and sold up. So very proud that I took this trade right here and didn't stay in it for any of this break-even crap. A day like today, limiting your losses is a good thing, or time and trade, I should say. My last trade was at JD. What I liked about JD, and I probably should have stayed in it, but again, it hit my price target. And on a day like today, my top end reversal strategy isn't always great. So I started looking at JD. Just on a whim. I typed it in. I couldn't find anything to trade, so I was just kind of looking for something to trade, and JD became it. So what I did was I saw on the day chart here that obviously the whole number was resistance, and it had a little bit of a move up. However, it was trading with the SPY and the Dow. So, the Dow at the time was at 340. So, that thing can always pump up to 500 or something crazy like that. So anyways, I took and that's probably why I stopped out once here. So I took the trade right here. And then as you can see, it got a little bit closer to breaking the whole number. So I got out. And then what I noticed is it came back down. And I was keeping my eye on the SPY or the Dow, and it was flat. So I was like, okay. So I went in a little heavier. I said to myself, this is probably my stupidest trade yet. So I kept a really tight stop on it, and stupid being because the Dow was strong at that time. So a little bit emotional on that. Then I got out of it, and it drops. I figured, we don't know what the SPY is going to do, and it's dropping to the lowest of this previous candle here, this 5-minute candle. So I took half my position out, and then it dropped down to my price target, which was 81 was actually my price target, but 84. So I just went ahead and got all the way out. I didn't anticipate a big move down to here, or anything of that nature. I pretty much think I got the full move out of it, and I said to myself, well, gonna hop out. So, and I was getting 5 million phone calls from a customer, so that was another problem too. So, walking away. What do I have here? 137 realized. That's not my net P&L. When I switch over to Alliance Trader, it'll be much higher. So, say I had a win-win day.